Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat looking knife. This is actually like a bow knife, and it actually helps with any sort of bread. You have a nice serrated edge all the way down here, like super sharp. With that, they actually give you this to be able to cover it, so that way it will keep it protected while you're not using it. And it has 4 different measurements right here on the end, so if you're cutting different breads, you can keep it consistent, know how much you're cutting it, and I mean, that works great. The handle is nice and arched right here, so it stays out of the way. I mean, even after my hands are here, the knife will be able to hit the actual cutting board before it ever hits me. So if I wanted to do this, I can easily just stick it on here, line it up, and I mean, simple cuts. And look how smooth that is. That is amazing. I mean, if you wanted to do a bigger cut, you can easily measure that out, cut it off, and then you can keep it consistent based on what you're doing. So you can just look at the numbers, see where it is. I mean, this thing cuts fantastic. The handle is a nice wooden feel, beautiful edging. I love how different and nice this is. This would be great for any kitchen, or you can give it away as a gift.